Do you know ENGIE, France's second largest energy provider, with 11 million customers? Every day, their teams handle nearly 18,000 calls, a massive volume, managed remarkably well. Except that a small portion of customers is sometimes left disappointed. And when that happens, it can escalate quickly, all the way to a formal dispute. But today, ENGIE can catch those customers before it's too late.
The complaints we can classify as serious, meaning they spill outside our customer service department at ENGIE. Those represent less than 0.5% of our customer base. On paper, that sounds marginal. In reality, it's devastating, because more than 80% of customers who file this type of complaint end up cancelling their contract within 6 to 12 months. The real problem is that we don't detect them early enough. By the time the complaint has been filed, the customer has already checked out mentally. We're chasing a situation we've already lost. That's when we turn to Actionable. Predictive Customer Experience Platform makes it possible to understand what drives a customer to seek outside help. It allows us to solve their problem by acting before, not after. What Actionable does, concretely, is reconcile all the data across the customer journey. They take raw, fragmented, anonymized data and automatically transform it into a structured data model purpose-built for the energy sector. What convinced me is that they work on the real experience of 100% of customers, not just the 5% who respond to surveys. And just a few days after sharing the data, we had very concrete results, precise threshold, and the exact moment when the risk tips over. 3 examples out of hundreds. First, a bill adjustment exceeding 1,100 euros is a tipping point. Beyond that amount, the risk of a complaint is multiplied by 17.5. Second, relational overload. When a customer has contacted the service 13 times, the risk of a serious complaint is multiplied by 12.5. Third and finally, when a customer is a detractor, they are 33 times more likely to file a serious complaint. The predictive results are striking. By targeting just 2% of the customer base, we identify half of all serious complaints expected in the next 60 days, which equates to targeting that is 172 times more effective than random selection. In practice, every morning our teams can receive a prioritized list of the highest risk customers, along with the identified reason, and can now reach out before the situation escalates. That customer who has contacted us multiple times and is waiting for a resolution, we can now get back to them before they turn to outside help. We call them and offer a single, dedicated point of contact who will stay with them through to full resolution. And what truly excites me is that we are only at the beginning. This approach can be applied to NPS, churn, and unpaid bills. Predictive customer experience applies to every business challenge.